Alright everybody, how is it going? It is yours truly. We're going to be talking very quickly about these Vemico battery packs. These are meant for camera equipment, so lights, monitors, so on and so forth. These aren't your typical battery packs though. I'm going to of course leave a link in the description of an Amazon link. So it's a lithium-ion Vemico battery. It's a rechargeable battery for SN or I guess Sony NP-F980 slash NP-F970. I believe these are model numbers for specific items, specific camera equipment. It doesn't matter. I'm going to leave links in the description, and I'm going to demonstrate exactly what they can do. These specific batteries. First off, let's compare typical traditional camera batteries to this superior, very advanced Vemico battery. So the Vemico battery, lengthwise, relatively the same. Width, relatively the same. Or I mean lengthwise, width is generally the same. It's the length that's a little bit different. The orange one protrudes out a little bit more because they got a lot going on underneath the hood. So we're going to go ahead and talk about what it is exactly that we got here. So first off, we have this button up here that you can press, and it'll indicate how much power or how much juice you got in this thing. Pretty cool. So if all this lights up purple, then that means you're juiced up. This one, of course, is not going to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. So there's only 2 purple rings there. So I gotta charge this guy. So what you get, of course, you're gonna get a USB cable to charge the actual unit itself, and you're gonna get these little covers. They should be pre-installed to protect the Vemico battery. Maybe keep it free from debris, dust, other things that will be detrimental to the battery pack. And you have 2 ports on both sides here. One of them is interesting because you can actually charge your phone. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you right now. I have my Galaxy, what's it called? My Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And it took a minute, but right now this thing is receiving juice. This is being powered on, or this is being charged. How freaking cool is that? So this is not only a traditional battery pack. This is not just something for your camera equipment, your exclusive, very expensive camera equipment. But it's got more utility now. The battery pack has evolved. It is significantly improved, and it's gonna be. This is according to my phone. It's gonna be charged in 1 hour and 55 minutes, so it's at 24%. I gotta charge this in the house, but I'm just demonstrating to you what you can do with this. So I have a bunch of GoPro equipment, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of filming out in the desert when it gets a little bit cooler, which should be in a couple months. But yeah, this is what's going on. This is what you can do with this really, really awesome, what's it called? Awesome battery pack. And I'm just gonna demonstrate to you really quickly what it looks like to use it the way that it was intended to, so or the way it's traditionally intended to be used. So I have a newer light here, and you can change out the screens here. I forgot what they were called, the diffusers. Oh goodness. All right, so it's not a lot of juice in there, but it does work. How cool is that? I love the colors, man. These things really do stand out. They really, really do stand out. And I'm just going to go ahead and demonstrate to you how it is, these things, what they look like when they're charging. I plugged it into a wall charger, or a wall outlet that has the USBs. The little USB in port. USB port. Fuck, dude, I can't talk. So let's go ahead and plug it in and give you a little demonstration of what it looks like when it's charging. We've gone full circle. We got batteries charging batteries. Let's see if this works. Oh man, I don't think it's gonna work. Well, I'm gonna have to film it later on. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's charging. But yeah, man, these are great. The only thing that I don't really like about them is these little rubber doors here. These little covers here. They seem kind of flimsy. They seem kind of weak. But the construction of this seems really, really top notch. It's almost like the official batteries that you can go ahead and buy, or the aftermarket batteries that you can buy. This is clearly, in my opinion, a little bit more superior because you got a lot of stuff going on here. But yeah, these are great, man. These are great. They're fantastic. Here, just to show you again, it's got very little battery life in here. I'm gonna have to charge this guy when I get inside, but I'm gonna go ahead and see we have the light indicator here. I'm gonna go ahead and power the field monitor on. I don't have it plugged into anything specifically, but it works. This is fantastic, man. I love these batteries, dude. These batteries are awesome. And it was only 40 bucks. They retail about 40, 50 bucks for two of them. And with what they can do, with how useful they can be, charging your phone, charging your GoPro, charging other accessories that you may have, other photography equipment, maybe the Amazon battery recharging device with the AA or AAA batteries. The sky's the limit, man. The sky's the limit. So this is pretty much all you get. You get the batteries and you get the little USB cable to actually charge these guys. So yeah, man, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful in demonstrating to you what exactly these batteries can do. So these are the Vemico batteries. They're fantastic, man. They look great. They stand out. It's just I love seeing things that have existed for a long time evolve into something way more practical, way more useful. These are going to be my go-to battery packs in many situations. I do honestly predict that. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful, all that good stuff. Check me out on all my social media links. And I am, of course, dominating and spreading the bad boy virus all throughout alt tech. So follow me there. Thank you. Peace.